Alright, so how's it going, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a very simple strategy I use in trading US30 with the 1 minute time frame. But we will not just go down to the 1 minute time frame. We'll be doing the strategy from a top down analysis. So first and first is you want to come to the indicator section here and search for an indicator called supply demand zone. So this is the indicator called supply demand zone. You add that to your chart. Once you click on it, it will show up in your chart, and usually you can set it up by coming to the settings tool. By default, this one I changed to blue would be black, so you can just change it to whichever color you want. It's by default it's black like this, but I changed it to something more visually clear, so I can easily spot it in the market when I see it. So after you set up your charts, for this blue candlestick, it's signifying a strong demand zone, and for this golden yellow candlestick you can see here, it's signifying a strong supply zone. So something like this, let me show you guys what it looks like. Something like this, you can see it's a strong demand zone to the upside. So this would be your order block. So it also helps find order block too, because the last candlestick that formed, and this is a bullish order block because it's the last bearish candlestick that formed before the demand to the upside. This other example, let me use this one. You can see this is the last bullish candlestick that formed before the move to the downside, which signifies a good bearish order block. So guys, once you've added this indicator to your chart, let me clear this real quick. Once you've added this to your chart, you want to go down to like the 1 hour time frame and spot out the trend in the market. As you can see, the market is in a downward move to the downside, and it's breaking this, is making lower lows and moving all the way down. So this is like I'll call it a minor downtrend. Let me see if there's a major downtrend. So obviously there is no. Oh, so guys, this is a major uptrend at this point on the 1 hour time frame, and this is a minor downtrend, at least compared to the other one we saw. That was a more stronger move to the upside, and this is a much smaller move to the downside. So I'll be showing you guys what this strategy is all about and what it looks like. So quickly, let me just bring out my drawing tool and show you guys what the strategy is all about. Alright, so you want to see the market in a good movement, in the trending phase. All right, you want to see the market in a trending phase like this. There's a price movement here. Let me just draw something out real quick. Let's say price made this lows, went up, came back down, took this lows, took this lows. So once price takes this lows out, I would suggest you just wait. Do not take this this first break to the downside. Like if price is changing its its trending phase from an uptrend and is now turning to a downtrend, the first break below, you shouldn't take it. I would suggest not to take it. Then wait for the next break below. Price made a lower high here, and price came back and took this lows, this lows out, and now it's coming to retest. It's coming to retest this this zone. So guys, once price comes back to retest this zone, we want to look for an entry at this zone. You want to look for an order block or a supply or a demand zone to take your entry off. So let me just show you guys what it looks like on the actual chart itself. How the strategy works is you want to come down to the 15-minute time frame and look for an area where there's a break and retest. I just go through the market and look for where you can see a break and retest. So for this example, to not waste too much time, I'll be using this one. So there's a structure down here. You can see how price came, made this lows, went up and broke below this lows. So once price breaks below this low, I'm just looking to take my trade. But I would not take a trade for a sell, because once price breaks below, I'm looking for a sell. I will not just blindly take a trade for a sell down here. I would go down to the 1 minute time frame to get a sniper entry, to get the perfect entry. So the 1 minute time frame, let me show you guys what my setup, my entry would look like. So price broke below, you can see this should be your entry, guys. Look at this. Let me show you guys real quick. can see price. This is the break below the price. Price came back to retest here. So this is an order block that formed. See this, guys. This is beautiful. So price broke out, started dancing below, and to be honest, I would have wanted to take the entry here, but obviously this trade didn't get triggered in. Like, if you're talking of real life scenario, this trade didn't get triggered in. So this is when the trade got triggered in. So you'll be looking to take a trade here. We're looking to take a trade here for a sell, and your stop loss will be just slightly above that that demand zone, which is this other block. Sorry, this supply zone. Sorry to say, guys, I'm very sorry. This is a supply zone. When you see this golden candlestick to the downside, this is a supply zone. So this is a bearish order block. So your stop loss should be slightly above that bearish order block. And as for your take profits, your take profits could be a 1 to 1.5. I suggest my students, all of my students, take nothing less than 1 to 1.5 on all their trades. And you can take a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 100. Guys, it depends on what you want. Your take profit all depends on you. But what's important about the strategy is I show you guys the stop loss and how the setup works. But for the take profits, it all depends on what you want and how you want your take profit to be. So this is just it, guys. Very, very simple and very effective. So guys, I'm giving away 1 week free trial to the VIP group for just $1.99. You can sign up for the VIP group for 1 whole week. If you're interested, DM me on Instagram and let's set you up real quick. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.